What's happening, everybody? It's Johnny Snow in the building. And the other day, I told you I was about to take this shotgun on a journey. All right. So that journey has been completed, and now it's time to see the end product. Right here, you see this is just a plain black shotgun. There's nothing really, it's an awesome gun, but there's nothing that just, you know, it's just black on black on black on black on black on black on black. So I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and try something different. Instead of using leather, wood, and the things that I usually use, I know I've been using paracord a lot here lately. I decided that I'm gonna paint this gun. All right. So this is the journey that I went on, painting the VRF14 and adding a pistol brace and a folder. All right. Nobody else said that you can add a pistol brace or a folder. I did all the research before I bought this thing, you know, and I almost didn't buy it for that reason. But that was found out I guess they just did not go to the places I went to. All right. So let's go ahead, check this out. This is the stage that we're at now. All right. So what I've done is I've masked off all the areas that I don't want to get painted, all right? Or basically the areas that I want to stay black, I've gone ahead and masked them off. So first thing I'm gonna do is go get some degreaser, clean this thing off, and then it'll be time for the primer. So let me go ahead and take care of that. So we have the primer done, and I decided to go ahead and do a magazine as well. So we have the primer on here, which is the next step after degreasing. You have to degrease it first. All right, here we go after the painting. All right, we have that going, but this is not where we're stopping yet. This is not where we're stopping at. This is just one step in the process. One step in the process, and now I gotta paint the camo pattern onto the green. All right, everybody, here is the finished product. Hit me up, roast me, tell me I did a good job, tell me it looked good, tell me it looked bad, tell me I should have left this gun alone, tell me anything. You know, just let me know what you think about this. Let me know what you think about this. This is my first time actually trying to paint a gun, and I actually kind of like it. You know what I'm saying? This is the VRF14. Here's the other side, and we have it folded, and the brace is by Cane Arms. So you gotta go check them out. Gotta go check Cane Arms out, because this is a cool little brace that they have here that fits on mil spec. And yeah, I may slide it on down a little bit. And the way this thing is shaped, it makes the length of pull a little bit longer. Hit me in the comments. Tell me if I've made an abomination. Let me know what you think. Truth be told, like I said, I actually kind of like it. And the cool thing about it is I can just paint it black and go right back to the beginning if I wanted to. I'm not gonna do that. I like this. So you guys saw the process, you guys saw the journey. You know, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe, that like, that notifications. Johnny Snow up out of here.